My dear student friends, today I am here to deliver a short speech on the topic of education. Education is just not to read books or score good marks in the exams. Education is the way of thinking and understanding the world. That's why education is considered as third eye of human being. Education turns ignorance into knowledge and dream into reality. Education also teaches us values such as discipline, respect, honesty and responsibility. There is a famous quote from Nelson Mandela which goes like this: education is the most powerful weapon from which we can change the world. This quote actually means that education has the greatest power to bring positive change in the world. Through education, people gain knowledge, skill and understanding which help them to overcome ignorance, poverty and injustice. Education empowers individuals and nations to build a better and progressive world. Remember, our behavior reflects the true level of our education. The true education is shown through how we behave in our daily life, how we speak, how we treat others, and how we react in different situations. So the exact level of our education. So that's why the true education not only makes us knowledgeable but also a kind and well-behaved human being. Thank you.